Solve the inequality, graph the solution set on a number line. We have the quantity x plus 1 times the quantity x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. And the first step here will be to identify the critical points, and critical points are defined as variable values that make either the denominator or the numerator equal to 0. Now we do not have a fraction in this situation, so we simply got to worry about what values of x would cause this product to equal 0. So our critical values are x equals -1 and also positive 4. And we take those critical values and we locate them on the number line. So at -1 we have a critical value, and also at positive 4 we have a critical value. And notice it divides the number line up into 3 chunks: -infinity up to -1, and then we have from -1 to positive 4, and then we have from positive 4 to positive infinity. And we're going to choose a test value in each chunk, in each interval, to see if it makes the inequality true or false. So if we choose something, let's say -5 or -6, choose something in the first interval from -infinity to -1, plug that into the inequality, you'll see that it creates a false statement. So this interval is out. And then we can investigate from -1 to 4. Let's choose a test value, say 0. And when I substitute 0 into the inequality, we get 1 and -4. 1 times -4 is less than or equal to 0. So that interval will work. So I'm going to highlight from -1 to 4 is part of our solution for now. And now we'll choose a third test point from 4 to positive infinity, say 5 or 6, substitute that into the inequality, and it does not work. So the solution to our inequality written as an interval would be anything from -1 to positive 4, including -1 and 4, because it is allowed to equal 0. And again, we'll also put the same notation in on our graph. So we kind of solved both of these at the same time. We solved the inequality, so it is the interval from -1 to positive 4, and then we went ahead and graphed that on the number line.